Hi, it's Andy at Martin Atkinson Specialist Vans, and we have got an absolute stunner for you here today. This is a late 2018 68 plate transporter Kombi long wheelbase bi-turbo 4Motion with a DSG gearbox. Huge amount of factory spec and additional enhancements on this one. As you can see, it's got the full ABT styling kit. Nicely colour coded here. Black ABT, or gloss black bits too. Real nice finish to it. This one has done 56,000 miles, guys, so there will be the odd chip or mark. It's been touched in around the vehicle. It's par for the course with a used vehicle. Just want to say that up front. It is a beautiful finish to it. Got sidebars, 20-inch OZ alloy wheels with the Pirelli tyres. It's loaded on genuine Volkswagen 30mm lowering springs. Full privacy tints. Oh, worth mentioning at the front there as well, you've got your LED lights and front park sensors. LED lights make such a difference to the vehicle at night. Custom leather interior with Bentley cross stitch and centre perforations. All in really good order. This one's got the comfort dash, so the caravel style dash, heated front seats, electric sliding doors, front and rear park sensors, and it's got the Discover Media navigation with App Connect 2. Now, what's very rare on this one, you do not see this often at all, is it has a factory sunroof fitted. That's a nice bit of light into the cab. Oh, just give that a click. So into the rear of the vehicle, 2+1 rear seating, and it's fully carpet lined throughout. Has got the LEDs in the roof lining. During valeting, we've just added this pattern into the suede line on the side. You can put stripes in it or just sort of rub it with a brush and that'll all just go flat, but we thought we'd do something a bit different. Just make it a little bit stylish. I'm just going to show you down the line of the vehicle as well here, folks. So really good and straight. We've got no dents down there at all. All in very good order. Moving around to the rear, it's been debadged apart from the 4Motion badge there. It's got the high level spoiler and carbon fibre effect rear bumper protector. As this has been on a few years, there is the odd mark in it, but that's what it's there to do. Rear sensors and rear camera too. Fully electric tailgate. And has the 2 touchdown lighters here, so just a little touch, you can turn them on and off. You can see better the rear area now. Floor's in very good condition. As are the sides, couple of marks on the sides, just up here. Was used to transport push bikes, so you have got just little handlebar marks up there. I say, guys, it is a used vehicle, 56,000 miles. Not detrimental to the vehicle at all. Just a press of this button. Shuts the tailgate. And I'll just show you down this side. Again, dent free down there. And a little touch in just there on the vehicle. And looks absolutely super from the side. So other additional spec that we've got here, it's got power folding wing mirrors and does also have adaptive cruise control. 56,538 miles, just been serviced at Volkswagen and got a full Volkswagen service history. It has had the DSG service done. The cam belt has also previously been done on this. And it's just had new power steering pump too. So a heck of a vehicle. If ordering to this spec new now, you'd be looking circa 75,000 plus VAT. So it's a considerable saving. Now we do take part exchanges and we can offer finance facilities. And you will find on our website, martinatkinsonvans.co.uk, at least 20 photos and a full written description of this vehicle. So if you're interested, please do get in touch. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching.